damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Shabbona, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Oglesby, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Maple Park, Malta, Leland, Paw Paw, and Lee. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 53 and 94. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 83. Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Illinois Valley Community College, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe